Yo, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be talking about probably one of the hottest mods for the Dodge Charger in 2019. And yes, we are talking about the 2019 grill and lower grill, the one with the snorkels. So if you are wondering more about this mod, where to get the products, look no further because we're going to go over all of that in today's video. Yo, what's up family? Welcome back to my channel, Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. On this channel, we do car videos, mods, installations, unboxing. So if you are new here, do me a huge favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. You're not gonna wanna miss all the awesome videos we have lined up for you guys. And while you are there, go ahead and turn the bell on for post notifications. That way you never miss a video as they go live. You can stay up to date with all things Hemifam. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about probably one of the hottest mods for the Dodge Charger in 2019. And yes, we are talking about the 2019 grill. When the 2019 Dodge Charger was announced and it appeared with the kind of dual snorkels in the front that kind of mimic the red-eye Challenger in a sense, except the Challengers are on the hood, everybody flipped, guys, including myself. I was like, man, that looks pretty cool. You know, some people don't like it. They think it looks like a pig, a pig nostrils. So I thought it was really cool. Now, here we are a few months later, and people are doing the grill swap, and it's looking pretty good, guys. So let me start off right now just by saying, giving a huge shout out to a few people that helped me make this video by supplying me with the media, pictures, and information on the products. So a huge shout out to NJ Mopar on Instagram. He was probably one of the first ones that we know of to actually get the parts and transition to the 2019 grill on his Daytona. We are also giving a shout out to Super Track Pack, super_track_pack. I will put their Instagram handles and information in the video description, so be sure to check it out. And also gstacks_392. So we are going to be taking a look at 3 different cars that have done the grill swap. And the Super Track Pack, he has a really cool one. He took the 2019 grill and took it one step further and actually painted his to match the car, so it gives it a real different look. And my buddy NJ Mopar actually put lights on the inside of his, so you know, it looks almost similar to the Challenger air funnel, but just kind of the snorkels. It looks really cool. I'll be sure to put lots of pictures of all the cars so you can get an idea of what it looks on, you know, the different colors, and you can get a better idea if this is something that you want to do to your Dodge Charger. Now, it will work from 2015 all the way to 2018 as long as you have the SRT fascia. So if you have a RT style body fascia, it's not gonna work. Now, if you have a Super Track Pack, a V6 5.7, this will work for you too, because it still has the Scat Pack SRT Hellcat front fascia. So keep in mind, guys, it's one of those mods to where, I mean, the parts right now, last time I checked, are on a 3-month back order. So what that means is everybody is gonna be doing this, guys. So I mean, when you go to Springfest coming up March 23rd, 2019, I hope you're registered for that show. I mean, it's probably the Super Bowl of Mopar shows in my opinion, but there's probably going to be a lot of 2019 Chargers in a sense, but that is that is just what happens when it is a cool hot mod. I mean, look what happened to the side skirts, wicker bill, and the diffuser and splitters. I can't tell you how many times I pull up to these Mopar shows, and I mean, all the heavy hitters, all the big Mopar guys have the side skirts, the diffusers, wicker bills, etc. Now, if you have a Dodge Charger, they're probably going to have the 2019 bad or snorkels with the upper and lower inserts. Now, as always, my good friend John from Lux Auto Concepts continues to push the envelope. He stays going hard like the pavement with new products. Now, he is also going to be dropping something really new and something very different. So I really can't speak on it now. It is super, super top secret right now. It's pretty much just being discussed with John, myself, and Mike from Workplay Drive. The three of us have been linked up together since, before Springfest 12 or 11, I think it was. But that show was our first show together where we united, met everybody, and we have just been pushing new things. Kind of like we bounce ideas back and forth with each other. John will be like, "Hey, what do you guys think about this?" And we just kind of go back and forth. And next thing you know, a new product is coming out. Now, be sure to check the video description. I will put a link to Lux Auto Concepts so you can kind of stay watching and check out Lux Auto Concepts. Hit the website, get yourself some tail light tint. They also have the wrap. They just released LED side markers, so Lux continues to push the envelope with new products and the latest and greatest. So, 2019 is going to be a really, really great year for Mopars in general. Lots of great shows. Now, being that the 2019 grill badge is so hot, I will put links in the video description because that has been a huge question from people. What is the part numbers and what are the links to get them? Now, it is not very expensive. I don't know offhand, but I want to say it's below $150 or less for both parts. You do need the middle grill, the lower grill, and the two kind of snorkel ears in a sense. If you have a Scat Pack or a RT, you can take it one step further and get the Hellcat air box. So what that does is it has kind of like a adaptation hose that'll connect to the driver's side snorkel, and that will pump air through the snorkel in the tube and feed it right into your stock air box. If you have a AFE GT Momentum, they do have a hole that accommodates that funnel. So now the hole is actually functional and pumping air into the air box just like it would on a 2019 Hellcat Charger. And I believe it's functional on the new Scat Packs and Daytonas, etc. So I think this is a really, really great mod. It's super easy to do. Keep in mind, you are gonna have to remove the front bumper on your Dodge Charger. If you are a pretty big car enthusiast, heavily into modding, you should know how to remove the bumper already. If not, it is super, super easy. There's a few bolts on the side, bolts underneath, and some clips, and it basically pulls right off and goes back on the same way. Super easy to do. I haven't done the actual grill inserts. I know last Springfest with King Scat at the time, his Instagram name. We had to redo the bumper, and we took the old parts and put it in the new one. So it is not hard to do. It is something you can do at home. You can figure it out and pull the bumper off at home. You will need jack stands, and it's super easy to do. But keep in mind, you will have to remove the bumper. If you are not comfortable with that, take it to the shop of your choosing. You know, either a Mopar shop, a shop that you know and trust to remove your bumper and get you back down the road 100%. So this mod is really going to change the look of the front end of the car. Besides having the dual snorkels, the weave in the grille is also a little bit different than the 15 through 18 models. And I think the weave is just really cool, guys. It is different, and it almost kind of plays with your eyes in a sense. So between the new weave, the dual snorkels, it is going to look really cool. Now keep in mind, anybody that knows anything about 2019s and Mopars, I mean, you may get asked a lot, hey, is your car a 2019? You know, cool grill. And you're gonna be like, no, it is actually a 15 or an 18, and I just did the grill swap. And you know, you may get a few questions. Other people may say, oh, but I mean, no big deal. It's not like you have a SXT and you put a Hellcat badge on your SXT. Or in some cases, for some people that have scat packs, when they put the SRT badge on it, some people totally flip out on them. Other people, it's like, yo, whatever, it's SRT powered, has most of the SRT functionality and parts minus a few. So that is a huge debate in the Mopar world. Now, I have seen a lot of the grills without the Scat Pack badge. I do believe there's another part for that. I will try to do some research and put that in the video description, because a lot of the grills that I see don't have the OEM Scat Pack badge that they took off of their old one. There may be a new one that goes on there, being that it's a 2019 and the weave is different. So keep that in mind. If you order the parts, they may not come with the slot for you to put your old Scat Pack badge on, but there should be a way to either order the old model or, you know, the 2019 badge for that grill. But like I said, guys, this stuff is back ordered. The snorkels and a lot of the parts is on a 3-month back order. So Steve White Motors, they are a dealership on the East Coast, and I've ordered a lot of OEM Mopar parts from them, guys. They are probably have one of the lowest prices on all the Mopar parts, and it's crazy how low some of the stuff is versus if you were to go walk into your local dealer paying probably list price. But you can pick this stuff up from them. I will put links in the video description. I will put all that info in the video description, so be sure you check that out before you go, guys. All right, YouTube, this has been the 2019 grill for Dodge Chargers 15 to 18. We showed you what it looks like on a few different cars. We have some links in the video description. I gave you my 2 cents, what I think about the mod. I think this is, if it's not already, going to be the hottest mod for 2019 on Dodge Chargers. And what tells me that is it just came out, the parts, and they are already on a 3-month back order. I see cars all the time on Instagram popping up, hey, grill swap complete, and it looks really cool, guys. So be sure to check the video description for all the links on the badges or the grills, badges, and where to get all the products. Be sure to follow on all of our social media accounts. And if you haven't done it already, be sure to smash the subscribe button. Turn the bell on for post notifications so you stay up to date and do not miss anything. If you like this video, if it helped you, do me a favor and give us a huge thumbs up. Share it with a buddy. And like always, guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Everybody that watches this channel supports what we are doing. And like always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.